hit record and let it play, showing you my world today. Brush of blush to light the way, beauty blooms in every sway.
Hi lovelies, how you all doing? This is me, your favorite makeup artist. You're welcome to this beginner friendly eyebrows tutorial. So what I just did is using my foundation to lighten my brows. If you have really dark hairs there just like myself, do this so that your brows will look natural at the end of everything. So after that, I went on to set it using my setting powder. Very much necessary, okay? So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, come get your hug. Yes, so I use my edge control to hold down the hairs. You can use brow tamer or any wax at all. Then you use the other part to flatten it. My edge control and spoolie to hold on the hairs. Then you can see how far that looks now. And after this, don't forget to go over it again with your setting powder in case your brow tamer or your edge control is oily. Remember, we don't need any oil at the brows area, okay? So to outline the brows, make sure your pencil is very sharp. And remember, you can give your brows any shape you want, but because this is a beginner friendly tutorial, I am following my natural brows hairline, okay? So let's do it like this. You see how sharp my pencil is? That is how sharp yours should be if you want a very sharp brows, okay? See what we've got here. Cute, right? So to fill it in, please do not shade, use hair-like strokes and make sure that your pencil is sharp. Or if you're using a brow pomade, make sure that the brush you're using is very sharp, like very flat, okay? So for the front part, you see I'm using hair-like strokes, taking it upwards. You see what we have here? Absolutely divine. Then moving on to highlighting the brows, you can use your concealer that is one shade or two shades lighter. Yes, if you want the brow bones to be really light, use 2 shades lighter. You can also use your foundation if you want it to be very natural, okay? So, and while highlighting, when you place your concealer, please drag it down as I'm doing. Drag it down, and as you can see, I didn't start placing the concealer from the front part of the brows. I started somewhere in the middle, okay? Yes, so drag it down when you place your concealer so that when you want to blend it, you don't have to blend to the point where you drew your brows. As you can see what I'm doing right now. Then you can dab on top of it to take out excess products. Then for the upper part of it, please use your foundation for this. And as you can see, I have almost nothing. I have nothing on that brush just to make that part sharp. It's not a must, actually. It is not a must. But if you must do it, use your foundation, okay? Then you go ahead to set everything with your powder. And with that same powder you used to contour your face, use it to blend the front part of the brows. Blend your contour, your nose contour into your brows, yes. And then you go over everything with your setting powder or the powder you use on your face to make it look so natural, okay? And that is it, my lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please leave a comment for me in the comment section and don't forget to like this video. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.
Draw a shadow, teaching you all you need to know. It's more than beauty, it's the life we share.